This is a 2007 Yukon XL. And the liftgate won't come undone. It doesn't have the automatic one, but when I press the button, you can hear that it's trying, but I can't get it up in order to be able to even replace it. So I heard there's a place you can drill on the inside to make that happen. Here I am inside, and they said there's a small ring, which you can see here's the center. I'm going straight down, and just offset, you'll see that little thing there. So they say you can drill through that and then poke around until you hit the release. I'm going to give it a shot. I don't know that it really matters what size, but this is a 5/32 drill bit. Okay, you can see I got that drilled through. Here's the lock, and you can see right here is what I was poking on to get it to unlock. This little thing here. So you can see how you just got to feel around for it. That's what you're trying to do, just push that forward. Let's see if I can get some more light here. That's what you're poking on to release it, through that hole. Okay, I got the hole drilled. This is a 3mm Allen wrench, and from what I understand, this goes in angled slightly down. Yeah, something happened, and it worked. So let's try that again. Door's closed. Sticking this in there. It looks like it's going in straight from the top. And you can see I've got it angled down. I didn't quite get it that time. Almost got it. There. All right. And that's how you get it open in the event it won't open from the outside. Thanks for watching.